Guys, if for any reason you lose your TV or smart TV remote, I'm going to show you how you can convert your iPhone or your Android phone to a TV or a smart TV remote. You can control your TV or your smart TV with your Android phone or with your iPhone without any issue, okay? You can do everything your remote can do with your iPhone or your Android phone, okay? So let's dive right into it. Let me share with you guys how you can control your TV or your smart TV with your iPhone or your Android phone. So for you to do this, all you need to do is come over to your phone, iPhone or Android, and go and search for this application, Stick Remote Control for TV. Okay, click on it. This particular application is what we're looking for. This is the application, okay? So what you need to do is download it. I've already downloaded it. So what I'm going to do is just click on open, okay? Let's ignore this. Now, if your television is not on, you have to on your television first, okay? This is not going to work unless your TV is on. So put on your television. Once you put on your television, that is the only time you can be able to see your TV on this app. Okay, if your TV is not on, it won't be visible when you're searching for it. Okay, so let me go back a little bit, open and click on connect. My TV is now connected. Now, if I go down here and click here, you guys can see that my TV is being controlled with this. And the good thing is that you can raise the volume. You guys can see 30, 32, just like that. Okay. Let me reduce the volume also. So assuming I want to watch any of these movies, let me go top 10, Officer Black. Okay. Recently added top 10. This should be okay. Now, once you click on here, you can play this movie. Now, the good thing is that apart from that, you can also fast forward and rewind this movie, which we are going to do here. Okay. Let me reduce the volume a little bit to 5. Okay. Now, once you click here, this appears. You can fast forward. You can do anything that you do with your remote with this application. You can play this movie from this particular point. Click on enter, and the movie is now playing. Okay. You can pause. You can also click here and go back and rewind. Okay. So you can still do one step backwards. One step backwards. Okay. One step backwards and roll down to another movie. Okay. So there's a whole lot, everything that you can do with your remote, you can actually do it with this application. It works on normal TV, it works on smart TV, okay? So next time you lose your remote or your remote gets spoiled, just know that there's a solution um, to it. You can actually control your smart TV with your iPhone or your Android phone. So this is actually what I want to share with you guys in this video. Apart from that, once you tap the YouTube button on this, it takes the television straight down to YouTube. The same way you tap, if you tap Netflix button, this is a full throwback. Okay, okay, these are YouTube videos which you can still play straight. Okay, what is going on? The internet is not fast. Okay, so raise the volume.
YouTuber Matthew Bean told me he was building the world's fake iPhone a few days ago, and then he showed up with it. This thing is fully functional.
So from here, you can still tap the Netflix button and it will take you straight to Netflix. Okay, it's back to the movie. Okay, this is a reminder. Let me go one step backwards. Okay, here are the movies, Netflix movies. So that's all I just want to share with you guys in this video. So you guys can see how easy it is for you to control your TV or your smart TV with your iPhone or your Android phone with this app that I just mentioned in this video. So in case if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Aswiken Kingsley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you will be the first to know once I upload a new video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.